Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to change a game mode in Clash Royale. Now, the first thing you need to do to change the game mode in Clash Royale, you launch the app and then you just tap on the trophy icon, okay, right here, as you can see on the home screen. So let me show you again. You're right next to battle, you click on the trophy icon, and this menu includes different options like trophy road, merge tactics, and the classic 1v1 battles. Right, so let me show you Trophy Road right here. And there's weekly modes as well that change regularly, so you just keep that in mind. You can check here. These ones unlock at different arenas. So competitive modes, you need at least 15,000 trophies. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to the channel.